All right, guys, we are back already. Seriously, what I'm going to show to you from this is my phone. This is my phone. You can see it. You'll see the screen. This is everything that you need to know. Don't mind whatever you're seeing here. I'm going to show you what you need to know. First of all, what we're going to go into, I want you to understand. There are some things we are going to go into that will change your life. Okay, just I told you, you just get ready. Okay, have a prepared mind. Part of the thing I'm going to be focusing on is it music, is it forex, is it cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you the shortcuts that will change your life, your destiny, for good, forever. All right. So first and foremost, one thing you should know about. We're going to start with the first one. This cryptocurrency, this Bitcoin, and the forex that is troubling people's mind, they don't understand about it. One thing you should know is this. This cryptocurrency is a digital coin. It's a digital coin, okay? It's a money you can't see on the physical that you trade with, buying and selling. And when you buy a certain asset, once you buy in a low amount, once it grows up, okay, once it increases or go in a high, amount, on a high price, on that matter of fact, when you sell it, you make profit. There's a way to find the percentage of, when an asset or a coin increases to a certain amount of level. That's what we call prediction. You can predict it. And there's a way I'm going to show to you the shortcut to predict it. A lot of people invest in this and sometimes they get 50%, sometimes they get 40%, sometimes they get more than that of whatever they put. Imagine you're putting like 10,000 naira and you're getting 50%, maybe even in one day, even in 2 days, and 50% is just like that's 5,000. I think in one day you can get 5,000. 5,000 depends on the volatility of that coin of that day. And there's a way I'm going to show to you, they're able to detect easily all those coins. All right. Now, this cryptocurrency has come to stay, has made many people rich and wealthy. Even the forex market has made people rich and wealthy. Now, you might be asking, I'm not going to tell you how it started. I'm not going to go into that. What you need to know is, okay, I buy in a low amount. I'm just buying a low amount. And when I buy in a low amount with cheap money, when the price now increase, I will not sell just like in the market. You go to the market and say, madam, what's the last price? When will the price go down? That is the time that you want to buy. That moment you are buying at that low price. When the price increase, that is when you sell. And there's a way to know when the price increase. I'll show you. I will show you. And the moment it increases, you sell up. Now you don't need to be with your phone 24 hours to watch it. Some can even be one day, some can be hours. It depends on the one you want to choose. The time frame. If you want in 1 hour to get your profit, if you want in 4 hours to get your profit, if you want in 1 day to get your profit, there's a way to do it. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now I'm going to show you everything you need to know. How you're going to start, I will show it to you. How you're going to, to deposit your funds, how much you need to deposit your fund, how much to start with. I'm going to show you how to withdraw back to your account. Back to your bank account, yes, to your bank account, real life. With your profit, it's going to come to your bank account straight away. It's not taking, that's within minutes, you get your money back to your account. Real life, okay? Now we're going to start immediately now. Let me show it to you. Also with the forex, but I'm going to start with the cryptocurrency. First of all, what you need first is your phone. After your phone, the second thing you need a book with you and a bio. Did you get what I just said? A book and a bio. The next thing you need data. I'm not talking about you're going to watch data anyway. All those data you use your WhatsApp and Instagram and burn your 1 gig and your megabyte, wasting your data. You need data. Don't use that data anyhow. This is the time now you want to use it to invest, to preserve your future. What you find is that many parents waste their time and whereby they didn't invest and now children are suffering. This is the time you prepare yourself for your children upcoming, to the next generation. Are you getting what I'm saying? So we're going to start now. I'm going to open. The next third thing you need. We're going to need download apps. There are some apps we're going to download. Okay. You already know where to download your apps, whether you're using an iPhone or you're using an Android. Since I'm using an Android for now to teach you, I'm going to go into the Google Play Store. All right. So I'm going to go to Google Play Store right now, as you can see. I'm going to go there in the Play Store, and the first thing I'm going to download there is a platform where I'm going to do that trading. It's a platform. There are many types of platforms, but the number one that is very popular that I'm going to trade on, it is called Binance. It is called Binance. That is where I'm going to buy and sell. That is my marketplace. That is where people are buying and selling in their phone. That's what people are buying and selling from their phone in their house. Are you getting what I'm saying? You can see it now. Are you see this? Look at it. This is where I'm going to download it. Why you are seeing update here? Why you're seeing update here is because I've downloaded it. Okay. So when you download it, the first thing you're going to do next. Let me go back to it now. Once I open it, the first thing I'm going to see is the thing opening with my data. It's going to open, and once it opens, you're going to see the platform. Okay. Just wait for it. Wait for it. It's opening. All right. Now, as you can see, the platform is opening. It's going to open. Look at it. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? All right, guys. Now, look at this is where I'm going to tell you where we are going to, if we want to deposit right now. Okay. When you look at this platform, what you can see here, you are seeing a line like this, deposit. Okay. You are seeing a line like that, deposit. Deposit. Okay. Deposit. Now, what you can see, what I mean by deposit means that is where you want to deposit your money. That is where you're going to deposit. That's where you're going to buy. Okay, you're going to buy your coin. That's where you're going to trade. Once you click deposit, now it's going to show you where you're going to transfer to anybody. All right, but because of what is going on right now, according to CBN, because of CBN, things have changed. Okay. Now, the way you're going to do it now is not going to deposit direct. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to go to this more. This more you're seeing here. This more you can see here. Okay. You click on it. All right. You click on it. Now, if you look at it properly well, you can see that over there you're having transfer. Over there you are having deposit, you're having orders, you're having referrals. All right, you're having converts. Let's not go further on that. The most important thing, like I said, I want to short everything I'm saying. The main thing you're going to do is P2P. Are you seeing this P2P over there? This P2P. The P2P is what you're going to do. You're going to click. You're going to click that. Are you hearing me? You're going to click that. Once you click that, the next thing is that it's going to P2P means peer to peer. That is, you're going to look for somebody you are buying and selling from. Are you hearing me? When you buy and sell from the person, look at, there are a lot of people who are buying and selling. Yeah. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing this? Are you looking at this? Okay. Now, these are people that somebody called FastPay Jamie. He's selling one coin of USDT. USDT is just a coin that looks like dollar, okay? A coin that looks like dollar. You are buying it so that you can use and trade. Every coin you are seeing on top here is what you want to buy. If you want to buy USDT, you buy. If you want to buy BTC that you are seeing here, you will buy. Anyone you want to buy is left for you. It's your choice. You want to buy BUSD or BNB, ETH, NGN, that is Naira. It is now your choice, okay? So what we're going to do, anyone you want to buy, you pick anybody that you know your money can reach. Everybody have their price. Everything you're seeing here, they have their price. You're looking at here, this person is selling $1 to 490 Naira. This other person is selling 490 to 80. Any amount the person is selling is for $1. So if you're buying, and if you look at it, look at the limit. This person is selling only from people that want to buy from 200,000 upwards. This person is say you want to anybody that have 100, it is 3,000 naira. This one say you must buy from 64,000. So you look for the one your money can reach. This one is 87, 100,000. You look for the one your money can reach. Okay, you have to just scroll down, look for the one your money can reach, and you'll be able to see them. But without look at this one. Okay, look at this one. We have our own here. Can you see this, guys? Can you see this, guys? This one is 2,000 naira. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. 2,000 naira. Bear with me. Okay. Look at this. Can you see this? 2,000 naira. Are you seeing this now? 2,000 naira. The highest is 243,000. 2,000 naira. So if I have 2,000 naira, I can come into the market. But please take note. Take note. Listen to me carefully. Take note. I would advise you don't use only 2,000 naira. Because to trade in one of the coins, it requires like $10. And $10, the dollars increase day by day. So I would advise you to have like 5,000 before you can do any trading. It's advisable, okay? All right, it's your choice. All right, then once you now say, okay, I want to communicate with this person. Let's do business with this person, okay? What you do next, you go ahead and click the buy. Are you seeing that green buy there? You click on it. Click on it. Once you click on it, look at what it's going to show you to you. It's showing you that you need to buy USDT. Is it you want to buy it by cash? You want to buy it by cash, okay? Now, how much are you buying? How much are you buying? How much are you buying? How much do you want to buy now? If you say you want to buy, you're trying to buy 2,000 naira. Look at it. It showed on the bet minimum 2,000 naira. Okay. Let's say 5,000. Hold on. Let's say it's 5,000 we are buying. Look at it. Quantity is what? 10 USDT. That's $10. Are you seeing it? $10. Now, next thing we're going to do, we're going to click buy. It says, please confirm other details. Okay. Click OK. I got it. Now, look what is there. The person said, I'm going to sell 5,000 naira for each $1. I'm selling for 491 naira. You can do your calculation towards that, okay? Let's say again, payment method. How did this person want to receive your payment? How did the person want to receive your payment? If you click on this payment method, this person said there's a way he needs his payment to be done, okay? Now, if you look at this upside, there's a time. Can you see a time up? Can you see a time up over there? There's a time there. There's a time. You can see a time there. Okay? It's counting. This time is to tell you when you need to pay. If that time finishes, this person, you won't be able to connect to this person again until you go back again, refresh it, and go back again. So we need to use this time very well and pay that money. Now, how will I pay this money? How will I pay this money? Look at this. Can you see under here? Look under here. It says transfer funds. This place at the ending. This place, transfer the fund. I will click on it. Look at it. It says select payment method. Look at the person's name. The person we want to pay to. Nasifuddin Afaka Saidu. Look at the account number. Look at the bank. So if you're using OPay, you're using bank app, take this thing, write it in a book down, and pay the money. Are you hearing me? Pay the money to this account, the first one you are seeing, because that's where the bank you know. If you don't know about Go Money, the second one is an app. So if you know about that, you can go into it. But if you know the first one, it said this is the person's account number. Write it inside the book. Once you write inside the book, go to your bank details. Even though you go away from the app like this and go to your app, no problem. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Go and pay. When you go back, when you are through, go back to it again. Did you see as I go back again? Then when I pay the money, I will now cancel it like this. Okay, I will now write transfer the funds. Okay. Okay, when you are through, you will click. When you're through, you click that place, and it will show this. It will tell you expect to receive payments in 6. It's counting. Are you looking at the upside? It's counting for you. Look at what is wrote there. Look at what is wrote there. Look there. Look there, guys. Look at there. Look at there. Look there. Look what it wrote there. It says, after the seller confirmed the receipt of the fund, system will automatically transfer that coin that you bought from him, into your account. Okay, it will transfer it. They will transfer it into your account. They will transfer it into your account. Okay, into your crypto account. How will I know? Once they have, the person has seen the money, these people, the app itself, the platform, the crypto platform, they will send the coin you bought, if it's USDT, if it's BNB or different type, they will send it into your wallet. It's called wallet, okay? Into that account you have inside the app. Now, how will I know? The question I'm asking, how will I know that they have sent it? If I'm not checking it again, how will I know? They will send you an email. Are you hearing me? Into that email address that you open this platform, they will send it to you. They will send an email that the person has sent it to you. Okay, once the person send it to you, what you do, you say, okay, after this time counts, that's when the person will send it to you. In case the person didn't send it to you, your money is still safe. The money is still going to be in your account inside that same wallet. You will look for another person and buy again. Are you okay? All right, now let's go further. So you are safe. The next thing again, once you are through with that, you are able to see. Once you are through, then you go back. You go back. Just go back. Go back to this platform again. Are you seeing this? Then when you are through with that, you will not see under here. Look at this, where my yellow lines are. You will see, sorry. You're going to see under the lines, are you seeing wallet? You are seeing futures. Click on the wallet there. Do you see that place I clicked? What you're going to see there, you're going to be seeing deposit, withdraw, okay, transfer. This thing that you are seeing here, this 0.0005697, that is the amount. That is the amount. That is the amount that you are going to see that has entered. Are you getting what I'm saying? That enter. That has entered. That is what you're going to see there. That the coin will increase. It will show it has entered. Okay. Once it has entered, you cannot go into trading. You cannot go into trading, guys. You cannot go into trading. Now, if after you are through going to trading, the next thing you are asking is, what next? What next? What next? After going to trading.